Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can share a CapCut template link to your friends. So here, I've already opened the CapCut apps and then I'm going to just go straight to the template tab. Okay, so let's say I want to share this CapCut template link to my friends so they can use it, and what you guys need to do is just open the template and click on the three dots icon in here and then click copy link. Then after that you can just share to your friends in the social media like WhatsApp, email, or others, or you can also directly share it to Instagram, WhatsApp, and also Facebook. Like this, you can just choose which one, or there are also other apps that you can share the CapCut link. Okay guys, so that's how you can share CapCut template. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and click on the thanks. Bye.